The startup trying to revolutionize chipmaking. A startup called Substrate is trying to completely change how we make the most advanced computer chips. Right now, it's dominated by two companies, TSMC, which makes the chips, and ASML, which makes the ultra-expensive $400 million UV lithography machines that print them. Substrate's idea is to use X-ray lithography instead of UV. The main benefit is it could print the tiniest chip features in a single step, while current tech needs multiple, complex passes. They claim their machine could cost around $50 million, which is, a fraction of the price. But the bigger idea is they don't want to just sell the machine. They want to build entire chip factories, or fabs, around it. This is because X-rays behave so differently that you need to reinvent the whole manufacturing process, the materials, the chemistry, everything. If it works, it could drastically lower the cost of advanced chips and open up production to more companies. However, the challenge is massive. Going from a lab demo to reliable, high-volume manufacturing is what took TSMC decades. Substrate is essentially trying to build a new TSMC from scratch, which will take years and billions of dollars. So, it's a high-risk bet that could reshape the industry, but the history of chipmaking shows how difficult this path really is.